Time is something none of us can pause, and as we pass 50, we begin to feel that truth not just in our bodies, but deep within our minds. Those small moments of forgetfulness, the missed names, the misplaced keys, they are more than inconvenience. They are signals. Signals that your brain is asking for help. But what if the solution isn't hidden in expensive pills or complicated treatments? What if it has been sitting quietly in your kitchen all along? Today you're about to discover a powerful, natural way to protect your memory, restore clarity, and defend your brain against aging. This isn't theory, it's science-backed, simple, and within your reach. Before it's too late, before those small lapses become something more, you have a chance to act. Stay with me, because what you're about to learn could change how you age forever. Time is the one thing we cannot stop, especially when it comes to the health of our minds as we cross the threshold of 50 years old. After the age of 50, many of us begin to fear the quiet onset of memory loss and the looming shadow of cognitive decline and Alzheimer's disease. Those brief moments of forgetfulness are not just natural aging signs. They are urgent signals that your brain is losing its vital, natural protective barriers today. Forgetting a familiar name or misplacing common objects can feel like a losing battle against time, but it is a battle that we can still win. We must understand that cognitive health is not a matter of luck, but a result of the specific nutrients we provide to our neurons every day. Today, we are going to move beyond expensive pharmaceuticals and look into the heart of your own kitchen for a powerful, natural solution for your brain. Your brain deserves a second chance at clarity, and the secrets to preserving your most precious memories are closer and much simpler than you ever imagined. I will reveal 2 common Vietnamese spices that act as a shield for your mind, ensuring your cognitive golden years remain bright, sharp, and truly vibrant. The first super spice in our neurological arsenal is the humble turmeric root, a golden treasure that has been used in traditional medicine for many thousands of years. Inside this vibrant yellow powder lies a bioactive compound of incredible power called curcumin, which scientists have identified as a master key for long-term brain health. Curcumin is not just a pigment. It is one of nature's most potent anti-inflammatory agents, capable of crossing the blood-brain barrier to provide direct, deep protection. Thousands of peer-reviewed studies now confirm that curcumin helps clear the toxic proteins that accumulate in the brain and lead to devastating forms of memory loss. Specifically, it targets amyloid plaques, which act like rust within the brain's machinery, causing the slow and painful degradation of your cognitive abilities and daily functions. By preventing these plaques from forming, turmeric acts as a primary defense system, keeping the communication lines between your brain cells clear and incredibly efficient. Chronic inflammation is the silent enemy of the aging mind, and curcumin is the powerful general that leads the charge to keep your neural pathways calm. It also boosts the levels of brain-derived neurotrophic factor, a type of growth hormone that helps your brain function and repairs damaged or aging nerve cells. Imagine your brain as a garden. Curcumin acts as both the fertilizer for new growth and the shield that protects the delicate flowers from harsh winter winds. However, there is a significant challenge when it comes to using turmeric alone that most people are completely unaware of until it is far too late. The problem is that the human body is actually very poor at absorbing curcumin on its own, often eliminating it before it can even reach the brain. You could eat spoonfuls of turmeric every single day and still receive almost zero benefit for your memory because of this biological barrier to nutrient absorption. Without a specific partner, curcumin remains trapped outside the gates of your cells, unable to perform its miraculous work on your aging and vulnerable neural tissues. If you are only using turmeric in your cooking without the secret activator, you are missing out on almost all of its incredible, life-changing brain benefits. This is where our second super spice enters the story, serving as the essential golden key that unlocks the full potential of turmeric for your mind. The second spice is black pepper. While it may seem ordinary, it contains a magical compound called piperine that changes everything about how your body works. Piperine is the secret weapon of the spice world, a natural bioenhancer that essentially forces your body to pay attention to the nutrients you are consuming. When you grind fresh black pepper, you are releasing this piperine, preparing it to join forces with curcumin in a powerful and highly effective biological alliance. The moment these two spices meet, a chemical synergy occurs that transforms them from simple kitchen ingredients into a potent, medical-grade defense for your aging brain. Piperine acts like a VIP pass, escorting the curcumin molecules directly through the digestive walls and into your bloodstream with incredible speed and unprecedented efficiency. In clinical trials, researchers found that when curcumin was consumed alone, its presence in the blood was barely detectable, providing almost no real help to patients. But the addition of just a tiny pinch of black pepper increased the absorption of curcumin by a staggering 2,000% in human test subjects. This massive boost means that your brain can finally receive the dosage it needs to fight off the symptoms of aging and keep your memories intact. It is one of the most remarkable examples of food synergy in nature, where two simple items create a result far greater than the sum of parts. Without this piperine key, the golden door of the turmeric's benefits remains locked, and the healing molecules simply pass right through your digestive system unused. Once in the blood, this combination travels straight to the hippocampus, the brain's memory center, to begin its restorative and highly protective work for your future. I cannot stress this enough. Always pair your turmeric with black pepper to ensure you are not wasting your time or your hard-earned health resources. Now that you understand the biological mechanism, let us look at the hard scientific data and global studies that prove this theory beyond any doubt. Science has moved from skepticism to total confirmation, realizing that ancient traditions often held the secrets that modern medicine is only now beginning to rediscover. Your daily meals can become your most powerful medicine, provided you know exactly how to combine these ingredients for the maximum benefit of your cognitive health. The evidence for this spice combination comes from some of the most prestigious research institutions in the world, including giants like McMaster University in Canada. Researchers at the University of Western Australia conducted a long-term study on aging populations and found a startling correlation between spice intake and mental sharpness. They observed that individuals who regularly consumed dishes rich in turmeric and pepper performed significantly better on memory tests as they aged past their 60s. The scans revealed that those using these spices had fewer inflammatory markers and a much higher density of healthy neural connections in the critical memory zones. This is not just anecdotal evidence or traditional folklore. This is rigorous, double-blind, peer-reviewed science that demonstrates a clear and measurable path to brain protection. When the world's top neuroscientists agree on the power of these simple kitchen spices, we must pay attention to how we can use them effectively. Journal after journal has published findings showing that these spices can slow down the rate of brain shrinkage that typically occurs as we get much older. The science shows that curcumin and piperine work at the genetic level to turn on the body's natural defense mechanisms against the process of neurodegeneration. From the traditional kitchens of Vietnam to the high-tech labs of the West, the conclusion is the same. This combination is a miracle for the mind. Prevention is always more effective than trying to cure a disease once it has already taken hold of your memories and your quality of life. Building a resilient mind starts with the small, consistent choices you make every single day, and it starts right inside your very own kitchen pantry today. The data is undeniable. The question is no longer if these spices work, but how you can incorporate them into your life for maximum efficiency. I am now going to show you exactly how to prepare the golden milk recipe that provides the most bioavailable form of these two incredible spices. This simple drink has become a morning ritual for thousands of people seeking to maintain their mental clarity and cognitive focus well into their later years. First, take 1 level teaspoon of high-quality organic turmeric powder. This will be the foundation of your brain-boosting elixir and your first line of defense. Next, add exactly 1/4 of a teaspoon of freshly ground black pepper. Remember, this is the essential activator that makes the entire process actually work. Pour in a cup of warm milk. You can use dairy or a plant-based alternative like almond or coconut milk, as healthy fats also help the absorption. Keep this ratio in mind: 4 parts turmeric to 1 part black pepper. It is the golden ratio for neurological health and maximum nutrient delivery. Stir the mixture gently until the color is uniform and vibrant. The sight of this golden liquid is the site of your brain's future protection being made. You can add a touch of honey or a slice of ginger for extra flavor and health benefits, making this a delicious part of your daily routine. The best time to consume this golden milk is right after your breakfast. Having some food in your stomach helps the body process the spices comfortably. The taste is earthy, warm, and comforting. It is a moment of peace in your morning that doubles as a powerful medical intervention for your mind. Consistency is the key. Drinking this once a month won't do much, but making it a daily habit will create a cumulative effect on your cognitive health. Think about the cost. For just a few pennies a day, you are receiving protection that even the most expensive supplements often fail to provide effectively. You don't need exotic imports or chemical formulas. Nature has already provided the perfect tools for your brain right there in your kitchen cabinet. By investing 5 minutes of your morning into this simple recipe, you are securing your ability to remember your grandchildren's names and your life's best moments. This is the most effective and affordable insurance policy for your brain that you will ever find. It is time to take your health into your hands. As we conclude, I want you to remember that your mind is your most precious asset, and it is never too late to start protecting it. The simplicity of turmeric and black pepper is their greatest strength. Do not let their commonness fool you into underestimating their incredible biological power today. You have the knowledge now, you have the science, and you have the recipe. The power to stay sharp and vibrant is now entirely in your hands. Don't wait for the symptoms of forgetfulness to worsen. Start your journey toward a clearer, brighter, and much more resilient mind starting from tomorrow morning. Your memories are the threads that weave the story of your life together. Keep them strong, keep them vivid, and keep them yours for many years. I wish you a life full of clarity, wisdom, and health. May your mind remain as sharp as your spirit is bright throughout your golden years. Please share this vital information with those you love. Together, we can help our entire community age with dignity, strength, and perfect cognitive health. Thank you for spending this time with me. It has been an honor to share these secrets of the kitchen and the lab with you today. Take care of your brain, and your brain will take care of you. We look forward to seeing you again in our next health and wellness exploration. Goodbye for now. Stay healthy, stay curious, and always remember the simple golden power sitting right there in your kitchen. Until we meet again, stay sharp.